Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use Visual Studio Code to run a Fortran program inside of Windows 11 or any other environment that you may have. Now, as you can see here, we have a Hello World program open, which is called hello.f90, which we open by going to File and then Open File. And now, what you want to do to make sure you are able to run Fortran smoothly is to install a couple of extensions, okay? The first one is actually going to be called Modern Fortran, which is here. And this is going to help you a lot in order to, highlight the syntax and give you different debugging options and all of that. Okay, this is pretty much essential to run Fortran smoothly, So that's first of all. And the second one, which is going to allow you to run programs natively inside of Visual Studio Code, which is essential as well, is going to be Code Runner here, which is here, right? Now, once we have that, we can go into our main program. And if you want to execute it from here directly, what you're going to use is Code Runner. Okay, so you're just going to press, let me type it in here. You're just going to press Control plus Alt plus N. Okay, this is what you're going to type into your keyboard. Okay, so let's do this for a second. Control Alt plus N. And as you can see here, I have my Hello World executed. So that's it. Thank you so much.